Skip with my right hand is another finger exercise. We are still exploring with the concept of skipping. Watch my finger right here. I will only be playing with two numbers, the thumb and finger number 3, because I'm skipping finger number 2, starting with right hand. Slide our thumb over. Thumb over. E. F. Keep going. G. A. B. Last one. C. Now, starting with the left hand, thumb on middle C, we're going to do the same thing, but going down. So we're going to skip finger number 2 and only use fingers 1 and 3. Slide down to B.